We are currently on the way to pick up the most riced out car on Craigslist. She has no idea what it looks like, but it's really bad. I thought it would be fun to buy a piece of shit and get a trailer, drive an hour and a half away out in the middle of nowhere. No idea where I am. This thing is the most riced out thing on Craigslist that I could find, and so I decided to jump on it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but oh man, this thing is so bad. I hope it's super loud too. It just sounds like a, oh my god. What do you think it is? Like, tell me what color you think it is. Tell me what you think.
I think it's silver. I think it has a lot of sun damage because you said it was sitting out.
So silver with sun damage. What else?
I think the interior is probably all fucked up because of the price of the car. Probably has a shit ton of miles. Probably doesn't even run. You're probably not going to be able to get it on the trailer.
Damn, you're really hurting my... I was being optimistic about this. I thought it'd be like one of those things where it's like put some tires on it, throw a battery, and then like maybe clean it. See what I'll maybe sell it, maybe keep it, I don't know. But now you're telling me like now it's gonna need paint work, it's gonna need an engine, it's gonna need transmission, it's gonna need interior.
Yeah.
Am I making a mistake? But what kind of car is it?
A Toyota.
Toyota what?
Accord, because you told me earlier.
She thinks
told
it's a
me last
Toyota
time.
Accord, guys.
Right?
Yeah, right. Actually,
a Honda Accord, that's what I meant.
it is two car brands merged into one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it like your car, like the Alteza? But
No.
Because this is way...
Oh, this is so fun. It's an adventure. You're gonna like look back on it in a year and be like, remember that time we drove out the middle of San Antonio and saw those weird...
it's pretty fun.
So after a few hours of driving through farm roads and little country towns, we finally got to our destination. So this car is actually sitting under a tree on some guy's property for the past 6 years. Not driven, not touched, nothing, just sitting there. So I'm gonna show you a quick clip of the car and I want you to tell me what it is. Think you got it? All right, comment below what you think it is. Actually, here's another clip. Wait, was that an R33 with an S15 front end? Wait, what? So this thing is actually a 1994 Honda Accord with a Nissan Silvia S15 front end and a Nissan R33 Skyline rear end. It's definitely an interesting car. I know it has some history here in Texas. If you guys know anything about this, have any old pictures of it, have seen it at a car show or something, please send them to me. I think it would be really fun to see the history of this car. All right, just got this thing loaded up. Now we're gonna take it home. This paint's really cool though. It like changes colors. It goes from like blue to purple to like a gray. All right, after like 5 hours of driving today, we're finally pulling up to the house. All right, we finally got it home now. We gotta take it off the trailer, park it somewhere, and then start working on it. So this thing's actually pretty unique. It's got 20-inch wheels. It's got a lot of issues. It's got a decent engine. It's got some surprises. It's probably gonna need a lot of work. You know what? It shouldn't be too much of a problem. So that's it for today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting more updates about the car. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I'm exhausted from all that driving, so I gotta get some sleep. Till next time, later.